everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Manovigyan. I'm your psychologist friend Shreya. So today's video we'll be talking about a breathing technique that will help you to reduce your anxiety, your stress, your sleep issues. In today's world we are so much stressed, we are so much anxious. Lot of them face sleep issues, like they're not able to sleep at all, or they're able to sleep only for few hours. So this breathing technique will definitely help them. Even I have been trying that personally, and definitely it has improved a lot for me. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So how to start with this technique? So first is, try to find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. It could be anywhere. If you're comfortable sitting down, you can sit down. If you're comfortable sitting on a chair like me, you can do that as well. So now what you have to do, so basically this technique is called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. So how does it work? So once you're ready, calm yourself down, sit, and now what you have to do is you have to breathe in the count of 4. So let's do this. So second step is you have to hold your breath in the count of 7. That is, then you have to breathe out with the count of 8. So as you can see, I counted with my fingers. So if you're able to set timers, or if you could find an app for it also, it'll be really grateful. So if there is any app, definitely I'll let you know about it. So why this breathing technique? So see here, what happens is you are breathing in the count of 4. Okay, you're holding your breath with the count of 7. Then you're exhaling with the count of 8. So what happens here is you are holding your breath, you are breathing in, breathing out. So here you are regulating your breathing. See, what happens is nobody breathes properly nowadays. We have become so lost that we have forgotten to breathe properly. We are not conscious about our breathing. So this breathing technique will calm your nervous system. So that will help you to reduce your stress, anxiety. It will calm you down and it will make you sleep well. So the last disclaimer I would like to give is, please do this technique if you are sitting or you are going to bed. Before going to bed, you have to do this technique. So why am I giving this disclaimer is, what happens is, as I said, this technique will calm your whole body, your nervous system. There may be chances that you may feel a little dizzy. So to avoid that, what you have to do is you have to sit and do this technique, or while going to sleep, or before you go to your bed. So I hope you like this small video. So please do subscribe, comment, so that we can improve upon our upcoming videos. Like and share our videos. So until the next time, you take care, stay healthy, stay positive. Bye bye.